Good morning, Sophia. How are you today?
Fine, thank you. And you?
Excellent. So you want to show us some of the words you've learned so far, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's have a look at this. What is this thing here?
Beer.
Yes, this.
Sweater.
Excellent. This.
Spring.
Yep.
Grapes.
Yes.
Toilet. Lemon. Sugar.
Yes. What is this?
Sidewalk.
Uh-huh. This thing.
Cap.
Yep.
Belt.
Mm-hmm.
Stove.
Good job.
C'est-tu des petites culottes là ou un sous-plat?
C'est des petites culottes, ça. What is this in English?
Underwear.
Underwear. What is this?
Strawberry.
Yep. This.
Pancake.
Yes. What is this thing?
Forehead.
Uh-huh. This.
Clock.
Uh-huh.
Movie.
Yep.
Summer.
Uh-huh.
Desk.
This thing?
Pasta.
Yes. This.
Living room.
Living room. What is this? Brain. What is this? That's right. What is this?
Blanket.
Yes, this.
Cucumber. Towel. Toilet paper.
Yes.
Fan.
Thumb.
Bucket.
Bucket. What is this thing?
How many bucket? Jar.
Drawing.
Oven. Oven. Oven.
Oven. This. All right. What is this thing?
Mustard.
Mustard.
Pajamas. Raspberry.
Raspberry. Yes.
Dessert.
Dessert.
Newspaper.
Newspaper. Excellent.
Cushion.
Mm-hmm.
Du poulet. Chicken.
Chicken. Excellent. This.
Nail.
Nails.
Shampoo.
Shampoo.
Ham.
Mm-hmm.
Toe.
Mm-hmm.
Corridor.
Corridor.
Curtain.
Curtain.
Skirt.
Skirt.
Lipstick.
Lipstick.
Ça, c'est une assiette. Une assiette, c'est plat.
Plate. What is this thing? It's a season.
C'est pas
Autumn.
Attends.
Ou fall.
Ou fall.
It's another season.
Is
It's cold.
winter.
Winter. What is this thing?
Ball. Tap. Elbow.
Very
Double
good.
elbow.
Yes. Karate.
Eraser. Floor.
Floor.
Straw. Church.
Yep.
Lollipop.
Lollipop.
Notebook.
Book.
Blackboard.
You're right.
Calendar.
Calendar.
Building.
Yes.
Pepper.
Pepper.
Necklace.
Mm-hmm.
Cheek.
Cheek.
Keyboard.
Very good. What is this?
Sing guitar.
No, it's not. Ruler.
Ruler.
What is this?
Ruler.
Focus, please.
And I don't know.
A placard.
A
Closet.
closet. Lake. Cell phone.
Yes.
Dresser. Backpack.
Yes, you're right.
Still.
What? Salt.
Salt. Shoe. Nipple.
Shoulder.
Shoulders. Rosary. Is tiroir this?
Mm-hmm. What is it?
Drawer.
Drawer.
Fence. Street. Street.
Street and plafond.
Ceiling.
Ceiling.
You hurt my ceiling.
You hurt my ceiling.
You hurt my ceiling.
What is this?
Chocolate bar. Wait. Tire.
Yes. Tire.
Garage.
Garage.
Makeup.
That's the name of the
Game.
game.
Cow.
Cow and
And
window. Bye bye, my friend.
Bye-bye.
See you later.